Fuerteventura. It's 9 AM, we got a day off.
Yeah.
And we are heading
Up
down
early.
to the beach.
Kind of early anyway. It's super windy today, it's gonna be nuclear.
Okay, so basically our plan today is we're gonna go to the centre now. We're both gonna go with the same kit basically, canned sails, slalom boards, and have a little race just to warm up. And then we're gonna try and get some in the water shots and do some proper freestyle. Super Sport 113. Both going for the same kit, same setup, just so we're even. Going very hard today.
Let's do it.
It's on! Yes! It's quite sketchy. It's currently like 35 knots.
It's way over 30 knots and we're on 6.5. Slalom gear, clammed. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. It'll be great.
Freestyle kit, let's go for it. Okay.
Fuck, that was sick. Thank you for watching that video, put a lot of time into that. That was in Fuerteventura with the sickest trip for a very long time. We've got a lot more to come. If you enjoyed it, press the like button. If you didn't, dislike it, I don't care. But subscribe anyway, because there's so much more to come. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh.